Hello my beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Nguyen Bangla is back once again with another new reaction video. Beginning of the video, I want to start with happy P Chum or P Chum Ban to all of you guys. P Chum Ban or P Chum Ban. Forgive me for my mispronunciation if I mispronounced it. Happy P Chum Ban to all of you guys, to you, to your family, to everybody. In the last video, you guys gave me some information, so I just want to talk a minute about it. You guys said that Pechumbang is a festival which is just like Halloween. Remember the dead people of your family, the people who has gone, you remember about them. Sometimes you go and have picnics. Sometimes you celebrate that day, but especially for the people who passed away from your family or your previous family. So it's just, somebody commented that it's just, you can say the Cambodian Halloween. So yeah, happy Cambodian Halloween to all of you guys. Today we are going to be watching another video that Galaxy Navatra. Thanks to Galaxy Navatra for commenting in our last video. I really appreciate the feedback from you guys that you are watching my video and just telling me how you feel. I really feel inspired when I see people do that. When I see level musicians do that, that's like they are pushing you to do it more. So I really appreciate Galaxy Navatra. The song we're going to be reacting today is by Ton Chen Sema from Galaxy Navatra. No idea what is the title of the song, but I think this is gonna be about the Pechumbang festival. Regarding that, because they have started an episode with 500 female artists alongside with some well-known singers, the people we love and we know. So I hope that this is gonna be with that vibe. Let's check out the song, then we're gonna be talking more further. Ton Chen Sema, my favorite lady. Want to go? Want to go? 1, 2, 3. Then I should have said that go. Wow. Somebody's playing flute. Look at this. Looks like VFX when it's not. Like the drop. Ton Chen Sema is in front of everybody. Shout out to Jonathan. The melody. Looks beautiful. Yo, I have to say one thing, guys. This lady, Ton Chen Sema, is a multi-talented musician, I have to say it. She can rap, she can sing, she can go traditional, she can go melodic, everything. I mean, like, I have to say it. This song is having a different vibe than the last two songs that we heard before from this Pechumbang. Hey, hey. I love the instrumental behind her voice. The flute is, hey, 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 hey. I love the flute, man. And everybody relax and dance. 500 people's crew, you know, only female. I love the instrumental. They changed the setup, I guess. They were... Wow, the instrument is sounding so beautiful. With a traditional vibe. The ladies are dancing. beautiful production. Have to say it.
ឆ្នាំនេះបាត់សូនអើយបាត់សូនមកនៅឯណាអូនដេកអោបឆ្មាហូរទឹកនេត្រាជោគខ្នើយអូនស្រណងទាភ្លឺអើយបងអើយអូនស្រណងទាភ្លឺខ្យល់បងវឺវឺលឺមន់រងាវខ្វើយខ្វើយលឺទុំនួនប្រែតើយលោកសោតបដាឆ្លង
Sounding so melodic.
សង្សារអូនអើយត្រានតើយបងនៅឯណាអូនស្រណងខែភ្ជុំអើយ
No English subtitle.
ស្រណង
Why?
ខែភ្ជុំ
Khmer subtitle only.
មិនគួរបងក្បត់
Don't cry, Tanjan say I'm here.
តែមានគូថ្មីអើយគេកូនសេដ្ឋីអុកញ៉ាទុកអើយសង្សារដេកសៅកានឹកប្រថ្លៃ
Wow, it looks beautiful. The arrangement is amazing. The instrument. Beautiful arrangement, musicians, her voice, melody, the song vibe, the production, the house is looking absolutely amazing. First of all, I noticed another thing, that they has changed the costume of these ladies. In the last video, the costumes we have seen that they were wearing, I think they just changed it completely from, down to top. They changed everything. In the last song we have seen different kind of, I don't know if they are representing different ethnical costumes and cultures from Cambodia in different songs. In this song it was sounding so melodic. Tonchan Seima did something new, something different. As usually she is like most of the time romantic, sad, and she's a rapper. In the same time she's singing traditional. I believe that this song also had a traditional definitely vibe. There can be two things, as I didn't know about the lyrics what she was talking about. The first thing can be she's talking about her culture, pride and everything. It can be one thing, or another thing, as you guys say, that this is some kind of a family, like remembering your family, missing your family. It's all about family, this festival, right? If I'm not wrong. So she must be like remembering her families, the previous people who has left us. Maybe she was talking about that, like we miss them, we love them and we respect them. They will be immortal here through our love in our heart. So I think it can be anything, the lyrics. But beside the lyric, the traditional vibe, the arrangement, the production, everything something new. The last two songs, I can differentiate this song from those songs. One song was Cam and Tonchan Seima, another one we heard was with Prep Sovat and Tonchan Seima, and this one she was solo. Those two songs were very much like funny, like they were debating each other, talking about funny stuff, making people happy, enjoyable moment. And this one is just sounding so melodic. There is nothing funny, very much serious. Whatever they are saying, they're talking something serious, not something like you can have fun with. Thank you so much, those of you guys are watching my videos, spreading my videos, subscribing my channel, supporting me, to be the part of the movement. I really appreciate to all the people. So thank you. See you guys in the next reaction video. Jumrup Leah.